Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I'm in Wisconsin right now. Can't tell you which town I'm in. Near Oshkosh. But here we have EAA Aviation Museum. I didn't see any traffic. I don't know if I can get in. This is for campground only. I think it's the next entrance. We'll see what I can get. Look at the antiques, they're hovering. Look folks, we even got a Sleepy Hollow farm. How awesome is that? Don't be scared, be prepared. Okay, I'm in the museum. Oh, look at that acrobat planes up there. That's beautiful, hanging from the ceiling. 50 years in Oshkosh. Someone got a wedding down below. I don't know if I got that one. I spun around looking at the ceiling. How about that? Colonel Paul Roberts. We're looking at the airplane. Or the wedding. Okay, here it is. At the foot. Robert H. Poberezny. EAA founder. The EAA spirit. CA tribute. I lost my place as I squatted. A tribute to Paul Roberezny. Probably said it wrong. Wing tucked to wing, wheel claim the sky. His vision sparked the little guy to dream and build and fight to fly like eagles, free and high. From low and slow with engines round, jets slice the sky, streak fast and sound, freedom to fly, our dream hard won. A spirit burns from sun to sun, thumbs up, the dream lives on. Dorothy Fowler, sculptor. 1991. Pretty awesome.
Yes, you do.
Here we got the right flyer. This is a bigger scale than the Kalamazoo Air Museum. Wow. Look at these little planes. It's beautiful. That's interesting. You don't have any side skins on it. Langley Aerodrome. Neat. I'll read it later. Look at that. Wheels in the sky keep on turning. Stunts. How about that? I'm not standing on it. Maybe in my younger years while I was in the infantry, I would do some crazy stuff like that. Wouldn't that be fun right there? That would be awesome. You could mow the yard really low, and you could just go for a flight anytime you want. Get a little bit of a wingspan. Haha. Snoop. There's another one. It says the Voyager. It's upside down there. That's interesting. They just mount them on the walls so they get more planes in here. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Must be the dinner room. Banquet room. Forever Amber. Haha. I'm not going to read it. I'm limited. Only came in this building to have like a half hour. And I want to read this later. All about Forever Amber. Some of their jackets. Air Apaches. Black Panther. How many people have seen this stuff before? Well, that's interesting. And there's this. Of course, I'm limited on time. There's the side of the plane there. Movie actress Rita Hayworth may have been the inspiration for Flamin' Mamie's artist. How about that? And I will read this soon when I leave Wisconsin. There's cool. That's a cool plane. Now this is on the Dauntless dive bomber that I did a video with. Kevin was my guest speaker at the Kalamazoo Air Museum. That was probably a year ago. That's my #1 video. It took him a while to figure out what that was all about. But that was something to do with a war zone in Africa. I don't remember which country. I'll have to watch that video again later. I don't know what this is, but it's got the same symbol. Now, South Korea has a star like that, 2nd Infantry Division, but that's Army, not Air Force. Now, isn't that a beautiful car? Holy smokes. I think that's interesting. The little paintings they put on their planes. D-Day. Ah, that explains a little bit about the star. I have to look that up sometime. These are 500-pound general purpose. Kaboom. Holy smokes. It's for the wedding party, so I can't go in there. I found the Raptor. Had to come through the clean room. I'm on infrared. Squatting down. Got some cockpit, I said it wrong, cockpit experience here in the Raptor. Got a little video. that dashboard, brothers and sisters. Going over here. I don't know if I would fit in there. We got the announcement I have to leave. "25 minutes of a beautiful experience." I call it the bucket list, or last chance. I may never be here ever again. There you go. Get your champion on. Everybody's a winner. Get your awesome on. Hey, U.S. Mail. Haha. Truss over here. Well, look at here. Look how the wings fold up. Well, it's got floaters down below, whatever you call them, to land onto the water. Fold up the wings to tie it to the dock, maybe. Hey, there's that star symbol again. The Wright brothers. Okay, that'll be it. I conclude right here, the Aviation Museum, Wisconsin, Oshkosh. That'll be all. And have a nice sunny day.